Capital. I'm reviewing the account of one of our traders, Sushil. Sushil has been with us from the 3rd of October 2020, and this is a review of the account from 3rd of October 2020 to present day 9th of February 2021. A very interesting trader. You can see straight away this trader's hit the floor running 5%, down shortly by 3.7%, rallied all the way up to 14.5%, 14.98%, target one. Dipped down again 11.3%, rallied up again 20.23%, and we're just kind of like doing a nice little head and shoulders pattern here, down to 18.83%. This is very good and very consistent, showing that this trader has only been with us for October, November, December, February. So 4 months. 4 months of consistency, 4 months being disciplined and having a plan. With trading, if you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. And as we can see from the daily statistics, 0.13% gain on a daily basis, 3.92% on a monthly basis with an average drawdown of 4.73%. This trader is now on level 3, going on to minus 60,000 US dollars. So the second level target, $3,000 been achieved. So this trader now has to achieve another $3,000 to go on to the 6-figure level where it's actually life-changing, $120,000. So let's see how this journey went in terms of trading. So clearly from the equity curve, we can see the growth. Now let's look at in terms of stats. This trader has taken 1,703 trades to date, which is quite a lot. Well, let's look at the summary. What were the best FX pairs this trader used to achieve this goal? Clearly, this trader has been really busy, as we can see. We got quite a number. Wow, you know what? This is actually a record. This trader is really diverse trading these FX pairs. So let's pick out the single ones that have made the biggest gains. So we're going to look in terms of pips. So the euro yen, that's 1. The pound Australian dollar, which seems to be a trader's favorite, that's 2. Followed by the pound CAD. And I'm pretty much sure most of the big pairs will be the pound pairs. And we've got 1,208 pips. Damn. Oh, sorry, my language, which is on the pound US dollar. And we've got 705 on the pound yen. So clearly, Sushil is a master strategist trading the pound pairs, because the pound pairs clearly has given this trader profit. So we know the pairs that the trader trades will make profit. What strategy was this trader using? I don't know his or her strategy. But what I do know, this trader is consistent and disciplined. Like I always say, trading, you can be right or wrong, but at the end of the day, it's all about profit. Clearly, this P&L statement reflects this. So looking at current recent trades, with the last 10 trades are significant losses. But let's look at what's happened so far on the flip side, because this trader clearly is making money. Small consistent gains, 0.20 lots. Let's see how this trader is doing it. 0.20 lots. Green, green, green. When a risk manager sees a trader's account in green, it's very exciting. But when we're seeing red, green, red, it gets a bit boring. Although we're seeing some reds here, but can you see overall the goal still being met? Although these are big losses, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. This trader has been very consistent with the lot sizes, which is very key in trading. Consistency is key. Discipline is key. And as you can see, this trader has not deviated from the lot size. Because you can trade the maximum of 0.50, but this trader has been so consistent, boy, I don't know what else to say. So I have to congratulate this trader for maintaining discipline. Discipline to do what you need to do consistently. And you see, even if you have L's and losses, you'll get to know you will always preserve the balance because you're keeping your lot sizes consistent. And as we can see here, you can see maximum profit on some of the trades. Let's take this trade for example. 11.4 pips, 4 pips. Risk to reward was 1-to-1, but still profit. That's all that matters, profit. So what happened at the end of the month? January, we maintained 3.55%, which is very impressive. And current month of February, we're down by 0.85%. So I don't know what else to say to this trader apart from being consistently disciplined. Follow your trading plan and enjoy trading, because clearly your results reflect your actions. And as I can see from this equity curve, you're actually way above the drawdown level. So I wish you all the best. You're only one step away from level 4, which is 120,000. And all you need to do is get $3,000 more. And I look forward to welcoming you on that level and reviewing your account as well in the future. So my recommendations to you would be simply stick to what you know, maintain your discipline of your lot sizes, always learn new things, read books, read technical analysis, watch the news, always enjoy what you're doing. Because when you enjoy trading, the success and the pips will definitely come to you automatically. So I wish you all the best.